Good day, Tanda. So I'll give you an overview of the different documents um, for the land concerning Bush Road. So here on the screen is a title search. This is from Cadastre. So a title search shows the ownership of the land. In this case, the property, which is, let me see. Yeah, so this is the property. So this is a survey from Cadastre. So it shows the May brief number. So in 1991, a May brief was made for the whole land. So right now, the whole land is in one May brief, right? And it's 8,425 square meters, the whole land. So from the road all the way to the top, right? This is just a picture of it because the gentleman who normally you gotta pay for it, so I just asked a friend of mine who works there to just take a picture for me. So another question is how to establish ownership. So here you have the name of the owner of this particular land. So for the property, because it's in I take out a May brief for the property. Let me go back. Yeah, I take out this May brief, this title search then, and it's in one person's name. I think it's in our great grandmother name, right? Now, so the whole land is in that one person name, right? So for the land to be for someone to build on it, it have to be in their name officially. So you could see there's buildings on the land and stuff. So that was built before. So now, in order for this, for let's say somebody to build here, here, here in these empty spots, we have to subdivide it. So let me show you how a subdivision plan looks. This is an example of a subdivision plan. So we need to, in this case, it was 8 acres. So it's divided. So one section of the land is divided in 8, and then the next section is left as a whole. In our case, in the case of Bush Road, we first need to see whose heirs, who these houses that's here. We first need to say who is heirs. Then calculate how much land these houses take up, and then after we know who get already and who ain't get, right? And then we have to subdivide, so make lots based on the heirs who falls under this May brief, right? So if it's 8 heirs, for example, then this land would have to be divided in 8, right? Also, we need to, let's say whoever is not heirs. So I know this house, I think it is. I think it's this house. And I think this one or this one of these, I think these two is not heirs. So we need, once we divide it, we make a plan, we will know how big the land is. And then we could sell those lots to the people that, yeah. So once we get subdivision plan, then the next step is, once we made a subdivision plan, then we need to make, this is called an area sharing agreement. This could either be done, everybody do it one time, or let's say, for example, you want to build and you want to get a lot, then you would make this with all of the heirs agreeing to give you that lot, for example. So this, so you see this example, all the heirs' names is on the agreement, and then they would sign saying who gets what, right? So the first step is to subdivide the land. So make a drawing of how the land will subdivide, and then after make the area sharing agreement, which is this. And then once you get that, everybody agree who gets what, then you can apply for the May brief by cadasters, and then you could pay for your May brief. Yeah. So let me know if any questions. I think certain things I maybe explain kind of confusing, but let me know if it's clear.